Okay, today we're doing a torque wrench review. Okay, so it comes in a heavy-duty plastic case made by Vever Tools. They're cost-effective tools. They make other things. They have their own website. There's a model number. You can also buy these on Amazon or eBay like I did. This one I bought for right around $22 on Amazon. It has nice metal latches. Comes with an inspection certificate. So it should be calibrated properly right out of the box for you. Ideally, if you use torque wrenches on a regular basis, you want to have them recalibrated once a year to make sure they don't lose their calibration. Comes with an owner's manual, tell you how to use it. So let's see what comes in the box. Comes with this adapter from 3/8 drive to 1/2 inch drive. Another adapter that is 3/8 drive to 1/4 inch drive, which is nice. And a 3/8 extension.
Wow.
So let's take a look at the tool. Nice metal construction. You can see their logo there. Not sure if that's laser etched or how they did that. It's a 3/8 drive. And one side has foot-pounds of torque. The other side has Newton meters.
Woo!
You can see the markings here. You simply slide this collar up and down like this, and that allows you to adjust the torque spec that you need. And it holds your sockets or your adapters on nicely. They don't fall off. Got a little push button. Has a nice gnarled metal handle that's comfortable, non-slip. Keep in mind, whenever you store your torque wrench, you want to make sure you get it zeroed out. You don't want to leave it set at a torque setting because that could affect its calibration. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.